Hey guys, it's Dennis at Mayor Hardware again, and today we wanted to share with you something that's really cool. We had the opportunity to help out the Friends of Mount Hope Cemetery with a great project they're working on over there. They're using a product we sell at the store here, Wet and Forget, to clean up a lot of the headstones that they have over there. And yeah, let's go check it out.
The Friends of Mount Hope is an organization that coincides with Mount Hope Cemetery here in Rochester. We work with the city. We're a volunteer organization. We've been here since the 80s, the early 1980s. And our mission is to help preserve Mount Hope Cemetery, help to protect Mount Hope Cemetery, help with the restoration and the preservation. It's the oldest municipal Victorian cemetery in the United States. It's the second oldest in the United States. So we've got over 300,000 people that are buried here at Mount Hope Cemetery. It's still an active cemetery, but since it started in the 1800s, there's a lot of older headstones and tombstones, and this is what they look like before our restoration project. And our restoration project is to use a solution called Wet and Forget, donated by Mayor Hardware. We're very grateful to them for the donation. And what our little group of stone cleaners does is just spray. It's a chemical that we spray. It's biodegradable. It's good for the environment. It's not going to harm the stones or the ground or anything like that. And what it does is it kills the moss and the lichen and helps to clean up the crud and just the things that grow on the older headstones and tombstones. It just helps. It helps with preserving the headstones. It helps with the writing. It helps that we can see the dates so that we know who's buried there in case the genealogy has to come along and find it, or a family member wants to come and find their loved one or something. It's just a really good project and a really good product.
We're very grateful to Mayor Hardware for donating this product to us, because the area that we're cleaning is a high priority for our restoration agenda.
This area of the cemetery is full of people who are involved in all sorts of reform movements, and it sort of represents the cemetery, the rural cemetery as a whole. People wanted to be buried in this sort of park-like space. The design concept was called the picturesque, where you're sort of composing a scene just like you would in a painting. And some of the most prominent families in Rochester at the time were buried up here.